Welcome back to another Chainsaw Man discussion video. This time we're going to talk about chapter 201 and 202, I think. I kind of skipped last week. I was busy. But before we start driving, I want to show off kind of a quick update to the car. I got the windows tinted. I got 35% up front and then 20 in the back. So it looks pretty good now with the black tint. It doesn't look like a fishbowl anymore. So yeah, that's a quick update. Let's start driving. It's so loud over there. All right, let's get driving. I brought some notes so I know what to talk about, and I'm not just rambling. I like the twinkle sound of this car. The little noise it makes on startup. So first, chapter 201, Chainsaw Man, kind of starts off with Fammy trying to terrorize people, and I wonder why she's trying to do that. Why her goal, as opposed to the fake Chainsaw Man, why her goal was to terrorize people and make people afraid. Ooh, some weird noise. It's kind of, first gear is kind of sensitive. I don't know if I'm just breaking the car. Hopefully not. Anyways, I feel like the War Devil is trying to get people to be afraid of Fammy for some reason, or maybe just of her. I feel like maybe it's her goal to get stronger. So then I guess people are more afraid of her sisters versus her. I'm not so sure. But it was funny because nobody was really scared of Fammy. They just kind of were like, what are you doing? I like Fammy as a character. She's funny. She's quickly became one of my favorites. What else? Oh, and then the falling devil comes and he's like, that's not how you make people fall, or that's not how you make people afraid of you. This is how you make people afraid of you. And this just causes a whole bunch of people to start falling, and it works. And then it kind of spills over into Denji and Asa's fight with the fake Chainsaw Man, because then he oh no, my notes fell. Anyways, everyone starts falling around them in their fight, and Denji tries to save some people, and when he tries to do that, he's like, Yoru/Asa, help me, and then she just blows up the person, blows up their arm, and then Denji realizes again they're doubles. I don't know, he keeps learning this thing over and over. Devils can't really be trusted. I guess, I don't know. In the beginning, he did trust a few devils that weren't like super evil, but they were, I guess, just contracted by the public people, and they were made not evil. I don't remember. I gotta rewatch. But like Power and I forgot the name of the shark one, and Angel, they were like nice-ish. But then after that, all the devils have not really been as nice. They've just kind of been jerks. And then she tries to get him to fight him again in the next chapter. She's like, are you mad, bro? I think she actually says, are you mad, bro? And I thought that was silly. driving during lunchtime. Everyone's kind of out, so it's kind of busy roads. Trying to think if I can reach for my notes really fast. Yes, I can. Notes. Yeah, and then in Chainsaw Man, the 202 chapter, the fake Chainsaw Man, Justice Devil, he just starts using people as like armor. Like he builds a mech suit out of flesh with a whole bunch of people. And I thought it was pretty messed up of him to do that. Not a very nice thing for him to do. And then to add on to it, he starts making him cry for help. And then they all are like to Denji, they're like, save me. But that's his dilemma at the moment. He's like, is he gonna cut him up or not? I think he's gonna cut him up, or Yoru's just gonna blow the guy up. That was pretty fucked of that guy to do that. How does Fujimoto come up with these kinds of things? I wouldn't be able to come up with like horror like that. Mine wouldn't be that scary. Anyways, I like both those chapters. I might just split up, make some of these Chainsaw Man discussion videos every 2 weeks, just because some of the chapters are a little short, not much to talk about in them, and then so I can talk about more of it in one drive video. I wish I could put images on the screen, but then they would get taken down again. But hopefully you've already read it. I'm just talking about it again. And hopefully you enjoy this driving. I still gotta keep it under 4,000 RPM while it's still under 1,000 miles. I think I've gotten better at driving. My shifts still could be a little smoother, but they were smoother than the last time. Excuse you, sir. What was that? I should not have driven when it's super busy right here. I should have waited. But oh well, I'm already doing it. Anyways, I wish Power was back. I wish Denji was having a good time at one point of this manga, but I feel like he's never gonna have a nice normal time ever again. This Jeep's very purple up ahead. And these two are going slow. Driving by the airport. It's not the most scenic of drives. They should add a GR86 to Chainsaw Man, just randomly in there. Excuse me, Jeep. Lets me yield. My hands are sweaty. I think I can get my own lane here. I do. Oh, it's actually 45. I was speeding. I'm now going 45. Do not arrest me. Anything else on my Chainsaw Man notes? No. Fake Chainsaw Man's kind of fucked up. Fucked up guy. Didn't like him. Always knew he'd turn out bad. Something about him. Something about all his flesh chainsaws that I didn't like. Nice day for a drive and anime talk. I'm still excited for the movie. It's pretty far out though. I feel like I should talk about more than one anime in these drives. Maybe I'll make separate videos for each anime. I don't know. Oh, I messed that one up. Alright, we're chilling. Those were smoother. You probably saw my head jolting back because I think I let go of the clutch too fast. Maybe I should make this car an anime car. Just put a bunch of anime stuff in here. Maybe I'll do a Gojo wrap on the outside. Possible. If I am brave enough to do it, I'll do something like that. I'm not driving to any particular place. I'm just kind of driving around. I have no goal. I'm just a wanderer. I don't know when to end this video. I guess soon. I guess I'll just end it now. I don't know what else to talk about. And that was kind of a nice drive. It's quiet. A little 10-minute drive. Whoa, look at those two Rivians. That was weird. Well, thanks for watching. this quick discussion about Chainsaw Man and then kind of a little drive afterwards. I guess I will end. My notes just fell again. I need a better note holder. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will try to improve these videos again in the future. I feel like this was a nice drive, nice quick discussion about Chainsaw Man, and then short drive after. Oh, Porsche. See you guys. Thanks for watching.